Today I'm going to introduce to you a new feature in your JenesisNow system. We have added the option to filter rewrites into your policy detail and client reports. Let's start off in our dashboard. In order to see this added option, let's go into a client's profile and rewrite one of their policies. Say, for instance, you had to rewrite a client's policy. You would go into that policy. I have selected personal auto, and you would click rewrite. Save that information. And now when pulling reports, this information should appear. We'll go into our reports. We will then select policy detail. And if you scroll down, you should now have the option to filter in policy rewrite. We will select policy rewrite, say yes, and click view report. The client that we altered, or the client that we did a rewrite on, is Mr. Fake Person. You notice he now shows up on our report. And if we scroll over to the end under policy rewrite, it says yes. Let's go back and also try that with the other report this option has been added to, which is policy and client detail. Click on policy and client detail, scroll to the bottom, and you now have the filter of policy rewrite added. And we're going to say yes and run our report. And the client, Mr. Fake Person, is now added to our report. And if we scroll over at the end, policy rewrite, it says yes. And as always, if you have any questions or need any help, at the bottom right of your screen is the chat button, or to the left, bottom of the toolbar, the help button. Thank you.